All right, two quick things. Number one, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT to create a lead magnet so I can get leads and sales with my internet business that sells online courses and how to do paid subscription communities. Number two, I'm going to show you a little app that I use that helps me save this stuff that I'm finding in ChatGPT. So number one, I told it to act as a researcher and tell me the best type of lead magnet for a business like mine, and then to give me a complete breakdown of the lead magnet, what it should be titled, the headline for the landing page, the accessories, the bullets that are necessary that would get somebody excited to opt in, and the content that I would deliver in the lead magnet. So it told me, hey, you should create an ebook, and here's the title. Here's the landing page title and the subhead on the landing page, and then here's some bullets that you can put on the page. Now I'm going to go in and sprinkle some human onto that and myself and say it the way I would say it. And then it gave me the lead magnet ebook breakdown. Well, then I said, well, what if I want to just turn this ebook into slides and a course? Can you do that for me? So it broke down each slide, what it should have on it, and what I should say in the voiceover and the picture that I should put on it. And then I said, well, hey, what are the answers that I should put in each of the slides? And it gave me all the answers and points and everything like that. Now, I've been doing this for almost 15 years. This saved me so much time. I'm gonna go in here and put my stuff into it, but this literally saved me hours. So then I can just go over here to this thing called Save to Notion, and I have Notion on my computer. And I have Notion, I got an account with them. And so I just put in lead magnet for Build Lab, and it saved it to my conversations, and I just click save. Then inside of Notion, here's what it looks like. So if we go to my Notion, this is what's so cool. So I can come over here and I can get down into my ChatGPT Notion stuff. And look, these are all things that I created. And here's that lead magnet for Build Lab with the slide deck and the breakdown. So I can access it, create it, and use it. And it's saved in here, so I don't have to worry about losing it. Hope this helped you. And yeah, more of this stuff is coming. If you like it, let me know down in the comments if you want to learn more stuff like this.